So I've been asked, does B&Q sell seed potatoes? Well, they do, so let me show you. Lovely. So somebody asked what seed potatoes they have in B&Q. So I'm just going to have a look and I'll show you what they've got in the store. Charlotte, Allen Pilot, Main Crop, Desiree, First Early, Pencil and Dublin, Main Crop, King Edward, Second Early, Nicola, Rooster, Bartlett, Second Early, Maris Piper, Jazzy. These seem interesting, Jazzy. Main Crop, Maris Piper, Swift. Someone's mentioned Swift before. And Cara. Swift and Cara have been mentioned a few times before. But Duke of York, I did that my first year. And Rocket. Didn't do very good with Rocket. And Kestrel. So there's quite a few different varieties. So let's have a look at what other vegetables they sell. So we've got onions stir-on, onions Carmen, and shallots. They look alright. And we've got a shallot 60 pack, Stuttgarter and Carmen. And those are £3. 10 shallots. So you got 10 shots Red Sun or 8 Germore. While we're here, we'll have a look at the flowers, see what flowers they got. That's pretty. So we've got a cucumber. So they have a cucumber growing kit that comes complete. Ooh. The pot, and the same with the tomato. £8. And chilies in a bucket. I assume you're going to grow them in your bucket. And they also do a flower bucket. So I hope that helps anybody that's looking for seed potatoes and can't get out to a garden centre. And if you're growing any of these varieties of potato, let me know in the comments below. And what seed potatoes are you growing? And we can plan what we're going to do for this season. So I'm not going to show you if we bought anything or what we bought, but if you join us on my Facebook group, I have the details below. You might find what I bought there. So thank you very much. It's a lovely sunny day, so we're going to get off down the allotment and see what we can do there. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. And thank you for everybody that's just recently joined. It'd be a great help, and we get on a new season showing what we do together. So thank you very much. Cheers for now.
You